shout out to my haters, but I dedicate this to my real ones, yo. It's like this, yo. Dear life and struggle, shout out to the real people that hustle and keep it low-key, locked and humble for what it is. Haters always wanna bump and muscle. I roll with them OGs that would hunt and tussle. You see, the thing about these new days, oh wait a minute, it ain't new, it's the same thing. Too many snakes think they know how it is, eh? Talk shit, motherfuckers get checked straight, but that's okay, I'm a quiet storm anyways. You never know who you come across any day. You only haters cause you don't get it your ways. I put a smile on my face just to motivate. No time to hesitate. Separate the real from the fake. Enemies that save my ass more than friends all day. Put the truth out, living it up all the way. 685 to the depth, spitting it straight. Let's go. Y'all never know who you come across, cuz just make sure that you roll with the real ones. Trust is so hard to find, life is so tough, cause everybody's not the same, so don't front. I'm motivated by the haters, keep it non-stop. That's how I keep moving forward, y'all, word up. I give thanks to my people all the way, cause I rap for them all day, they the real ones. Love to my people, they've been through the evil. In and out with hard damn times, it's so lethal, cause we fight for what is equal. Struggle's what we see, yo. No point of money if happiness don't reach, yo. This is how it goes, gotta feel my flow. They say you fall down 7 and get up 8 times, yo. Real quote, giving out a message for strong hope, cause poverty's a bitch everywhere you go, though. With people on the streets that ain't got no fucking homes, it's sad, yo. Prayers to their souls, the reach goes. I ride for this shit, it's not a hard you hit, but it's about getting hit, bouncing back from it. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm a proud poly skin for my people, for my real ones. Fucking hell yeah, cause I'm 6'8" to the 5, let's ride. Sign more, put your fists up, power and rise, let's roll. Y'all never know who you come across, cuz just make sure that you roll with the real ones. Trust is so hard to find, life is so tough, cause everybody's not the same, so don't front. I'm motivated by the haters, keep it non-stop. That's how I keep moving forward, y'all, word up. I give thanks to my people all the way, cause I rap for them all day, they the real ones. Y'all never know who you come across, cuz just make sure that you roll with the real ones. Trust is so hard to find, life is so tough, cause everybody's not the same, so don't front. I'm motivated by the haters, keep it non-stop. That's how I keep moving forward, y'all, word up. I give thanks to my people all the way, cuz I rap for them all day, they the real ones. Yo, 685, what up? Shout out to Zponkey Productions and my J. Fresh off the Vibe crew, y'all know what it is. Dig deep.